One day, Hasan and Mariya were walking past the mosque together, enjoying the peaceful morning. They were shocked to see the mosque courtyard filled with trash and leaves all over the ground.
It doesn't feel right seeing the mosque so dusty and messy. I wish we could do something to help.
Mariya says, "Let's do this together. Cleaning the mosque is also a beautiful form of worship."
Hasan and Mariya began cleaning the mosque with care and focus, hoping to make Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala happy with their efforts. Together, they cleaned every corner with love and care for the house of Allah. When we handle the Quran with love and respect, our hearts feel lighter and the mosque shines even brighter. Step by step, they cleaned with care, and now the Masjid felt peaceful, pure, and ready for prayer. With every wipe and every smile, they felt closer to Allah. When hearts are clean, dua flows gently straight to the heavens. And serving others, that too is an act of worship. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Removing harm from the path is a form of charity." They didn't just clean a mosque, they polished their souls.